Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to update your Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds. Let's get started. Firstly, we just need to open Sony Headphones application and here switch to the System tab. After this, scroll till the end and you'll see Update Software section. Just tap on the settings icon and now we can either enable or disable auto update, so to keep the headphone software always up to date. And also we can enable this setting download only when connected via Wi-Fi. And now to check any new updates, we just need to tap this update status section. And as you can see, in my case, the headphones are updated to the latest version. But if in your case some notifications about updates pops up, then I suggest you to update your earbuds because usually updates include new features or just fixing old issues. And that's it for today. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.